Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Onugbu soup, Anambra Onugbu soup. So if you're from southeast Nigeria, especially from Anambra, and you don't know Onugbu soup, then you are truly missing something. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Onugbu soup, like the proper way to make Onugbu soup in IgboLand. So if you are watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that notification bell, so only that way you get notified each time I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you guys next time, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. So in a clean pot, I'm just adding the meat I'm going to use to make this food today. You can add any meat of your choice. So here I'm just adding all the ingredients that I'm going to use to make this soup. Feel free to add any ingredients of your choice. So here I'm just adding 2 Maggi cubes, and after that I'm just preparing cocoyam. If you are from Anambra, you know that we don't joke with cocoyam when it comes to bitter leaf soup. So here I'm just adding bitter leaf because I'm going to pre-cook it. If you are okay with the amount of bitterness in your bitter leaf, then you have to skip this part. But if you're not okay with the amount of bitter in your bitter leaf, then just follow this step. So here I'm just going to cook the bitter leaf just for 10 minutes. So if you follow my cooking, you will know that I don't like to leave my chicken inside while I'm cooking soup, because I don't want it to be too tender, you know. So I'm just going to take them out, especially the chicken, and I'm going to leave the momo and the stockfish as they are still hard. So I'm going to leave those ones while I'm cooking. So here I'm just adding my already prepared cocoyam. So you can grind this cocoyam, you can blend it, you can use mortar for it. So after that I'm going to add palm oil. Palm oil is essential when you're cooking bitter leaf soup. So after that I'm just going to cover the pot and allow it to cook. So here I'm just adding the little water I used to rinse the plates for the cocoyam, and after that I added pepper, which is Scotch bonnet. So now I added crayfish. So after that I'm just going to drain out the water from this bitter leaf. So here I'm just showing you guys how I do that. You see the amount of bitter from it, but as I told you, this is not like all. I didn't want to remove all the bitterness from it, so I just cooked it just like 10 minutes. but if you're good with the amount of bitterness in your soup, you just have to skip that part. So I just soaked it with only cold water until I'm ready to use it. So as you can see, the pounded yam has not melted very well, so I just poured in like 1 cup of water. So after that, I'm just going to add ogiri. Like, you can't cook this soup without ogiri. Ogiri Igbo. Oh, thank God for ogiri. So now I'm just going to stir this soup properly and gently. After that, I'm just going to put back the meat I took out earlier. So now is the moment you all have been waiting for, the time to add BITTERLEAF. So now I squeezed out the water from the BITTERLEAF and I'm adding it just now. And after that, I'm just going to use my spoon and dip it in. Make sure they are all, well in, and then I will stir it gently and properly. So after that, I'm just going to add no, as I showed you, and after that I'm just going to add a pinch of salt and I'll just stir it good. And after that, I'm just going to cover the pot and allow it to cook. So after a few minutes, you can see how the soup is bubbling, how it's turning out. Like, this is delicious, this is good, like this is proper how to cook onugbu soup. Like, this is your girl from Nigeria, from Southeast, from Anambra, yes, married to Imo, but I still have to show you guys how we make onugbu soup traditionally. So now I'm just putting back the soft chicken. As I told you guys, if you have kids, they might not want to eat the hard chicken, so this is time to add the soft chicken. As I took them out and I grilled it a bit, so I'm just adding them now, and I'm giving my soup a very beautiful stir. Oh, this is delicious. This came out really nice. So this is how typical Anambra people make their onugbu soup. We don't cut them with knife. You just have to leave them in this long like form. This is rich soup. Like, I don't mean like money, like wealth, no, but this soup is so rich. So now I'm just going to give this soup final stir. Like, ooh, I don't know if you have pounded yam or plantain or yam or semolina or wheat, any kind of food that is moldable that you have. This is time to bring it, because this food is something else. This soup is delicious. Like, we have several onugbu soup, like people make onugbu soup, but this is like one of the best way to make onugbu soup. This is beautiful and it's so yummy and delicious. So guys, this is it. This is the final step. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Peace. Bye.